Hello guys and welcome back to Wave of Wealth. Today I'm going to teach you what's the best way for outsourcing in 2024, the most updated methods specifically for beginners. So please guys, listen to me carefully, follow every single possible step that I'm going to show you today, and remember, it requires no investments, basically $0. But later when you go to intermediate level, to expert level, guys, you want to grow your business, then of course you have some paid strategies, and we're going to cover that up as well. So first thing first that I'm going to show you that we're going to start, guys, of course, is this right here. You can check it out for yourself. Fiverr is the #1 deal for freelancing, for outsourcing and everything. But if you want to maybe get some other markets, maybe find some other people, guys, you can check it out. Best freelance website, as easy as that. Just go to Google, guys, type it in popular freelance websites, Upwork, TopTal, guys, Behance right here, Dribble, Guru, Fiverr, People Per Hour, 99 Designs, Flex Jobs Corporation, and 15 more. You can check it out down below that. So what I want to point out straight away, guys, is we're not talking about some simple and basic outsourcing out here. We are basically talking about 2024 level. So this is an updated game, guys, because we have some updated strategies, specifically of a product placement. We're gonna and sales channels, of course. We're gonna discuss everything together. But I just want to point out, guys, we're not talking about a drop shipping or something like that, something that is washed up. Outsourcing will always be guys, there, because everyone needs a middleman, of course. So let's get started. You can check it out right here for yourself. As I said, this is a Fiverr. I made a new account specifically for you guys, so please check it out right here. Welcome back, Nicola G right here. You can see down below, you can see, of course, gigs and everything, guys, up here: graphics and design, programming and tech, guys, digital marketing, video animation, writing, translation, music and audio, business consulting, data, AI services. So you're now must be wondering, what can I do here? I mean, I don't know to do anything. I don't know digital marketing, I don't know to code, I don't know to sync for music or audio, I don't know anything. But that's the point. You do not need to do any first-hand work, guys. We are here to find some people who are willing to do some work and solve some problems to some other people by a specific price. So if that price, a freelancer want to do, for example, a gig for $100, and the people who has the man who has a problem, person who has a problem, is offering $200 for a solution, that's where you're coming in. So right here we can check it out, guys. For example, you can see right here, start selling section. If you want to find manually your freelancers that you're gonna be a middleman, guys, to their job, between their job and them. So right here, as I said, you can type it in service or anything, guys. Up here you can see in these sections, but also you can maybe become a seller. So it's really easy. Work your way, you bring the skill, will make earning easy, guys. Right here you can check it out. For example, become a seller, press on it right here and be redirected. So ready to start selling on Fiverr? Here's the breakdown. Learn what makes a successful profile, create your seller profile, publish a gig, create a gig of the service you're offering, and start selling instantly. So here is basically, you can make your own gig, make your own account, guys. You can become a seller, and then you can see, for example, I'm offering services in coding, in SEO, guys, in digital marketing, in voiceover, in video editing, video creation, video production, YouTube SEO, or something like that. Whatever you need to do just to attract some people, to attract some jobs, basically, that will come to you. And then once they see your gig, they make a contact with you and everything, then that's the point, and that's the moment when you are going, as I said, right here, and search manually for your freelancers, for basically, yes, your freelancers. So guys, definitely check it out. Right here, as I want to point out again, you can see, for example, we searched for UI and UX design right here, guys. So that's just a basic example for you. And then what you need to do, you found, for example, some great, amazing freelancers out here, guys, level 2, level 1, level 2, and so on. The lower the level, the lower the price will be, but yeah, maybe the job will not be that good. Everything depends on the job, on the people who posted the job, what kind of work they want, guys, and so on. But you will see that for yourself in a further part of the video. 5-star right here, you can see, for example, this is a 1-star designer, guys. 15 rates right here, reviews, and every single one of them is 5-star. from 10 euros. Right here we can check it out, guys. You can press on it. For example, Wakar Ahmad right here. We can see that basic, of course, the basic offering basic gig is 9.7 euros, standard is 48, and premium is 145 right here. We'll see what we actually need. You can see right here the data delivery and everything. You can see the experience and everything, what you get, what you search, guys, and stuff like that. You can see for mobile AI, web UI, dashboard UI, visual design, prototype, website UI, UX design, and so on. So basically what we need to do else is to go to another platform. You can do it even on Fiverr, guys, but I recommend to go to another platform and check it out. Why not? I mean, right here we can type it in, guys. For example, Upwork is the, I mean, yes, it's a cliche, but I just want to show you the connection of two platforms. Type it in right here, guys, UI and UX. You will find some amazing job offerings, and then you can maybe arbitrage the price. You need good negotiation skills, guys, persistency and discipline, and then you are good to go. Basically, sky's the limit. Another great, amazing platform for that is People Per Hour right here, or as you'd like to check it out, guys, Dribble.com. I found this amazing post: job details, UI and UX, product design, about the role, what you will do, guys, must-haves right here, references, and so on. Compensation is $1.5 to $3,000. So yeah, you checked it out. For a job they're offering $1.5 to $3,000, guys, right here, and we can check it out that our freelancer, as we mentioned before, Wakar, guys, is doing a full premium service for 145. So yes, of course, it depends on the day, the delivery, on how much days he will work and everything, but I think you can find some spot out here, some profit for you. So if you have a good negotiation skills with him, with job offers, guys, and with a company and everything, yeah, you can definitely make something. But what is in today's world, what is the most important? Of course, community. So my honest advice for you guys, before you start with the Fiverr, before you start with the Dribble, People Per Hour, or anything, is to build some kind of a community, but a community, not community of kids, community of people who has, for example, if you want to do UI and UX, to start with UI and UX, middleman, guys, job right here, all you need to do is to build some kind of a community that is interested in UI and UX. And we all know that the very best platform for that, of course, Instagram, maybe Facebook for some older people, right? But right here, you type in, guys, UI and UX, TikTok is the thing for you. Right here, you can see people are posting their jobs, basically what they're doing, how they're making the sites, their designs and everything, and you can instantly see they know what they're doing. But if you maybe, for example, do that for by yourself, you can hire for a really low fee on Fiverr, on, again, Upwork, on right here on People Per Hour, Dribble, or wherever, guys, for a low amount of money, guys. That's the base strategy I mentioned before. For a really low amount of money, guys, you can hire a freelancer to make something like this video right here, and then you need a video editor to post it. Then you post it on TikTok on your account, and people will think this is what you do. So that's when people are going to seek that service from you, guys, that gig from you, that skill that they think you have. Once they are reach and got in contact with you, guys, that's when your negotiation skills are come along, guys, and that's when your basically half of work is done. So as I said, build some kind of a community, and then all you need to do is to connect an offer right here, a job, to a people who can do it. You need to solve somebody's problems in order to make money. If a freelancer is happy, if a company or job posters are happy, guys, everyone is, so will you be. I mean, definitely there will be some room for profit. So think about it, as I said, and definitely I think this is, anyone can do it. I mean, all I said, the most important assets you need to have, guys, basically discipline, persistency, and of course negotiation skills. We all have to have that, guys, in sales business. So as I said, check it out, and also write down in comment section, is this actually working for you? Have you tried? What do you think about it, guys? Thank you for watching. Until the next time, goodbye.